I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for the red, white, and blue tiered tray collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Barbie Daily, Rural Life in the Valley, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out these channels and all participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm so excited to start decorating my tiered tray in red, white, and blue. I'll start off with this adorable red, white, and blue garland that I purchased at Walmart. The 8-foot strand was only 97 cents. It's enough to do each layer of this 3-tiered tray. I purchased this adorable patriotic puppy last year at the Dollar Tree. He's all decked out in his patriotic gear. This adorable refreshment truck is from the Dollar Tree. I just purchased it this year. It'll be the perfect thing on the bottom layer. This firework truck is also from the Dollar Tree. I just purchased it this year. It's so adorable. This beaded garland is beautiful with a wonderful patriotic flag heart and a wonderful little tassel on the other end. It looks so nice added onto the table with my tiered tray. I have some stars that I made out of a salt dough. I'm just going to start adding these onto the tray. I'll add one on to each layer. I have some wonderful patriotic hearts, and I'll just add these to the table as well. And in just a matter of minutes, we put together this wonderful tiered tray in red, white, and blue. It's absolutely adorable, and every time I see it, I'll be so excited about the upcoming patriotic holidays. I am so happy you were here. I had such a wonderful time participating in this red, white, and blue tiered tray collaboration. Be sure to check out all participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.